about to work on a buttermilk pie here, so starting off with my eggs. Some of them are farm fresh. Always put it into a separate container before you put it in your main dish, just to make sure that everything's okay. I'm gonna add all the other ingredients, and thank you, Jody, for the recipe. This is one of my favorites. And I've got the pie crust that I made yesterday, and I put them in the refrigerator so they could get a little cool. They seem to work a little bit better that way. And of course, this recipe that I'm doing looks like a lot, but it makes 2 pies. So I'm gonna mix it up. Melted butter. Notice I didn't say margarine. Use real butter. Be careful not to overbeat everything. And this is a little something that makes it good, is some crushed graham crackers. About 3 crackers worth. I like to add a little nutmeg into mine. Into the batter just a little bit. And then I'll sprinkle a little bit on top just to give it that caramelized look when you bake it. Can't have buttermilk pie without a little bit of nutmeg on top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna let these cool off before I cut into them, but why make one pie when you can make two and share it with family and friends? Or maybe not.